that chicken's
You're recording it?
No, shut up.
Not yet. Hold on.
Okay. You ready, Mom?
Are you ready?
You ready?
Is it recording? Yes, it's recording.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, Libby. No. What is this right here?
25 cents.
How do you get the 25 cents? Count it out for me.
10, 20, 25.
Okay. So you're telling me what's this with it like this? Is what?
20 cents, but it's actually still 25.
Well, why were you telling me it was 20 cents?
Because I thought you were supposed to do the 5 first because it's first. 5, 10, 20.
Well, what would be the difference between this being what you said, what it's supposed to be, is what?
25.
And show me how you get 25. Seriously. How do you get 25 from that? Count it out for me. Show me. Point to it and count it to me.
10, and then...
I said point to me and show me how.
I don't know how to do it.
Point to the coin.
Okay.
Point to the coin and count it to me.
10, 20, 25.
Okay. And how much is a dime?
10
And
cents.
how much is a nickel?
5.
Okay, so you know when I do that, what's it to you?
Looks like 20 because it's first. 5, which is 1. 10 is 2. And 10 is 2. So 5, 10, 20.
5, 10, 20.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what would make the difference between why is this to you this way 20 and this way to you is 25? Can you tell me why?
Because if you had the numbers, like, probably say, like, a number 10 here and a number 10 here and then 5 here.
Okay, so what is it as it sits right now?
It would be the same thing.
What is it?
10, 20, 25.
Okay, so then if I do this, then what is it?
Still, it's 5, 10, 20. But if you leave it like that, you can still do 10, 20, 25.
Okay, well, why is it even though no matter which way you put these coins, whether you put it like this, or put it like this, or put it like this.
Well, it's either way.
Well, how can you come up with a different value than 25? Either way you look at it, no matter how you spell it out,
It's still 25.
it's still 25 cents, right?
Mm-hmm.
But why is it when you see it this way you think 20?
That's tricky. Well, because if you put this first,
Okay.
it would be 5. 'Cause
Right.
if this was the beginning of the paper, then you have to add that one first.
Okay.
But it...
Well, here's the thing. You're taking a 5 and adding 10 to it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're adding another 10 to that, right? So this would Faithy, please, please. So your 5 plus 10 makes 15. Faithy, please. Plus 10.
15.
15 plus 10.
15, 16, 17, 18, 25.
Okay, so if that's the case, why is it so hard to see that? Okay, let me ask you this: is this the same as this?
These 2 quarters?
Is this right here, the combination of coins to these combinations, is it the same? Point and count to it.
If you add these, it's still 25, and you add another 25, and it 35, 40, 45, 50. So it's 50 cents, and then this equals, because it's 2 quarters, because 25, 30, 35, 40,
Okay.
45, 50.
Alright, so if that's the case, if I take these 3 away, what do you see here?
25 cents still.
You sure about that?
Gonna smile more.
$10, $20, $25.
Okay, so if I put this over here, what do you see?
It's 25, but if you put it over here, it looks like 20.
And okay, so I'm still stumped. If now listen, if this was 25 and this was 20, how come this is 50 and those?
I'd say something.
You understand where I'm coming from?
I think so.
These 3 coins are the same no matter how you position them.
The same as.
I'm talking. No matter how you position them, they're exactly the same coins, right? So theoretically, if you're comfortable starting off with a dime, you go in 10, 20, 25, or going 10, 20, 25. Either way that they sit, they come out to the same value.
It looks like Mickey Mouse.
If you start off with a nickel, you just got to make sure that you're adding 5. 5, okay? Then you're adding 10. So
10,
that becomes what? What's 5 and 10?
5 and 10,
It's not the store either.
15.
Okay.
Wait, it's not about what you're doing. I'm saying.
Faithy, 5 and 10, so then it makes 15, right? So you add 10 more to 15 is what?
25.
Okay. So either way you put the coins, there's still 25, right?
Yep.
Faithy, I didn't ask for your interjection.
Talking about.
I didn't ask for it.
Talking about.
I didn't ask for it.
Talking about.
Sister can't keep her mouth shut, can she? Okay. So, now, you have, what do you have sitting here again? With this combination right here, what do you have?
50 cents.
Are you positive?